Redmi smartphones are known to offer value for money, and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is the best of the lot of the Redmi Note 10 lineup. So here's a quick overview of it. The biggest talking point about this smartphone is its 108 megapixel quad camera setup. This primary camera is accompanied by a 5 megapixel super macro, 2 times telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle cameras. The primary sensor ensures that you get a ton of details in your photos while being consistent throughout the day as well as the night. You also get tons and tons of camera modes that enhance your photography experience. These days, smartphones are also a part of your style statement, and so the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max also looks really good. It features the evolved design language that can be seen mainly around the frames and the camera modules. Carrying the phone around is also a breeze as it's slim and lightweight. Now before we dive into the specs of this smartphone, let's take a look at its stunning display. It comes with a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED panel that is bright and crisp. It has a refresh rate of 120Hz and an aspect ratio of 20:9, and it is also HDR10+ compliant. Now we are on to its specifications. It is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 732G SoC that can handle most day-to-day tasks with ease. It is paired with up to 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. All this hardware is mated to MIUI 12 based on Android 11 out of the box, which offers a polished and refined experience. Day-to-day tasks and even gaming is a pretty pleasant affair with the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Finally, let's talk about this smartphone's battery life. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with a 5020 mAh battery. It ships with a 33-watt fast charger, and you can charge it entirely in about an hour. And that was a quick overview of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.